Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make homemade bread. So let's go. These are all the ingredients for the homemade bread. We have the yeast, some baking powder, sugar, butter, shortening, salt, and of course the flour. So let's start the mixing. First step, to activate your yeast. Then you're gonna set this aside. Okay guys, the next step, some shortening. Butter. Some baking powder. So what we want to do now, our sugar. So what you want to do now is to mix it in. Make sure everything cooperated. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, the next step is for our yeast. Our yeast is well activated, so let's pour it in. Then we're gonna mix it in. Okay, I'm going to continue to mold it or knead it. Yes guys, keep kneading your dough until it becomes soft. If you need to add some more flour, you could do that also. Okay guys, I had a little flour on mine just to help to knead it, and then I've been doing this for about 4 to 5 minutes now, and guys, it's a lot of work. You need to put your hand in it. There's a lot of muscle required for this. So this is what it should look like. Yes guys, you're gonna know when you have a beautiful dough when you work your finger like this and it's springing back. So I'm gonna put a damp tissue and then I'm gonna cover it and leave it for 1 hour to rest. Let's check our bread. After 1 hour, ooh, see guys, after 1 hour, start flouring our board to start rolling off our bread. I'm gonna try to, air it out a little. You're gonna pinch off piece, dust your hand, and just roll it into a ball as tightly as you can. If you need some more flour, you could put some more flour to help roll your roll. And here you have it, guys, your first roll. So I'm gonna place it on the pan. Okay guys, I finished rolling out my dough into rolls. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover my rolls with a damp tissue and a tablecloth, and I'm gonna allow this to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This is what it should look like after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake for 25 minutes or until golden brown. So I'm gonna see you guys then. Okay guys, so after it came out of the oven, I take some butter and I glaze it all over the bread. Everyone coat it each evenly. So I'm gonna show you guys how soft my bread is. And there you have it, guys. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like. So guys, have a safe and blessed day.